Alright, I will show you how to sublimate iPhone case, or any case to be fair. So the case comes with two parts. Obviously that's your case itself, and that's the metal insert. So this is the one you want to sublimate your image on. Alright, so we will be using one of our new Galaxy heat presses, Galaxy Hero 301, temperature 190, and the time setting will be 50 seconds. So kind of medium to high pressure. Alright, so let's prepare our insert. Okay, so many people don't realize, but there's actually really thin protective film. So you need to remove that first before you actually stick your image on. Could be a little bit hard, but once you get the corner, it should peel off nicely. Alright, so get your design. Don't forget to mirror it if you have any text, or best to mirror it anyway. So line it up. Usually what I do, I just make it design a little bit bigger than the actual sublimation item, so it's easier to align and to get a better picture on the finished product. Probably one of the tricky part right here, so here should be fine. So we get some heat resistant tape. And kind of just stick it so it doesn't move. Cool, that should be good. So we're gonna take our insert, put it in the press. Just pop in the middle. If you have a Teflon sheet, recommend using it. You don't have to. It's good practice to have one. Slide it back and press it. So now wait for 50 seconds. Alright, the time's about to finish. Okay, so it's gonna be really hot, so just be careful. If you do have heat resistant gloves, suggest to use them. If not, then just wait for it to cool down for a second. So there we go. Really good print, like really vibrant, and because the metal inside itself is really shiny, that's the picture really good. So all left to do is just wait for your insert to cool down. If you need to bend it back a little bit in shape, do that. Because usually the heat can disform it a little bit. So grab your case and just peel off. So another really hard part, so actually to align it. just make sure that you get all the corners in first before you actually press down hard on it. And sort of just like work your fingers around it, your design. It's already smudged. Alright, so that's how you make a phone case. Just do it a little bit close up as well. So it's really shiny and does really add to the design.